How to dance at a rave.
Hej och välkomna till dagens kurs i stomp med moi, Leroy, och Joakim, min lärjunge. Idag ska vi gå igenom steg som cykelpulsar, lägg på sig. Men först börjar vi med bara ben.
Begin with the legs. Now we do this with the other hand. Big balls. And then both balls. My balls. Your balls. You don't have balls. That's good. Yeah, and just quite therapeutic. Mushroom. I mean, nothing. Mushroom. I think that we're grabbing our brain explode. Oh, the bum one.
Wait for it. Sexy.